Picture this. Every morning a battle unfolds in front of your closet. The enemy? A chaotic mess of clothes, shoes, and accessories. Today we're here to help you win that battle with a masterclass in wardrobe organization. Start with a thorough closet audit. It's time to face the jumble of forgotten fashion relics and decide what stays and what goes. If you haven't worn something in the last year, it might be time to say goodbye. Now with the excess cleared, let's breathe life back into your closet. Organize your clothes by type, and within those categories, sort by color. Imagine stepping into your closet and seeing your favorite pieces displayed like a boutique. But organization isn't just about arranging, it's also about storage. Quality hangers, shoe racks, and clear storage bins can be your secret weapons in maintaining a tidy closet. And let's not forget labeling. By identifying your storage bins, you'll never lose another scarf or belt again. The final step in your wardrobe organization journey is maintenance. Make sure to put everything back in its place after use. Regular closet audits will keep your newly organized space from reverting back to its old chaotic state. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to transforming your closet from a source of daily frustration to a well-oiled, stylish machine. Remember, a well-organized closet isn't just about aesthetics. It simplifies your life, saves time, and boosts your confidence every day. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found these tips useful and subscribe for more home organization insights. Until next time, may your closets be clutter-free and your style be effortless.